Do you forget English words while speaking? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Imagine you have a closet full of clothes. You have the perfect outfit for every occasion. But if the closet is messy or if you don't arrange your closet, you are not organized, you will struggle to find the right piece when it's needed. That's what happens when you speak English. Your brain knows the words, but it is out of reach. Let's dive into how this happens and how to overcome this. Words are like clothes you rarely wear. You understand many English words, but you don't use them often. You never try to use them in your daily conversation. They become like clothes you own but never wear. When you need them, it takes time to remember where they are. So what to do? The solution is to use the new vocabulary actively. Whenever you learn a new word, try to use it often in your conversations. Don't just learn them, apply it in your conversations. It might feel awkward at first, but you can see drastic change in your vocabulary. The more you use a new word, the easier it will be to recall. So, whenever you learn a new word or the words you have already learned, try using them in your conversations. Try to use them in your daily conversations or communication. Another problem is your brain is searching through different drawers. You have an outfit ready somewhere in a drawer. You're not sure in which one. If you're translating from your native language into English, it's like your brain is searching for the word in one drawer when the word is in another drawer. This slows you down and causes to forget the words. What you can do here is to try to think directly in English. Stop translating from your native language. Begin with simple thoughts like I'm going to the store or describe about your surroundings. Talk something about your surroundings. Start simple, start small. So if you directly think in English, this reduces the extra step of translation. You're giving extra pressure for your brain to think in your native language, then translating it. So it's better if you start thinking directly in English. I know in the initial stages, it will be difficult. It will be difficult for you to think directly in English. But once you start it, once you start small, you can develop it. You can improve day by day. Another reason why you forget the words is because of nervousness. Nervousness closes the closet door. When you feel nervous or stressed, your brain can freeze up, making it harder to find the right words. It's like standing in front of a closed closet, unable to grab what's inside. The door is closed, so you cannot get what's inside. So what you should do here? Practice speaking regularly. You should practice regularly speaking English to build the confidence. Record yourself speaking different topics, or you can join any English speaking groups. The communities that help build English. This can make you comfortable. Once you are comfortable, you can get that confidence. And confidence makes a big difference. When you are not nervous, when you are not afraid to speak in front of anyone, if you have that confidence, then you won't forget the words. You will have the words flowing out of you naturally. Another issue is words you don't see often becomes forgotten. Now imagine about the clothes. Think about the clothes that you push back. You are easy to forget the clothes that you pushed back to your closet. Similarly, words or phrases you don't read or listen regularly or frequently fades from memory. So it is very, very, very important to surround yourself with English content. Watch English movies, listen to English podcasts, listen to English songs, read English books, articles. This way you will get used to a lot of words in English, and this will reduce the chances of forgetting when you're speaking English. The more you expose yourself to English, the more familiar words will become. So it's actually a must to surround yourself with English. Multitasking can tangle your thoughts. When you're about to speak something, you have a lot of things in your mind. Your pronunciation, grammar, sentence structure. You have too much, and what to say all at once can overload your brain. You are stressing your brain. So just try to focus on communicating your ideas rather than perfect grammar. Relax, take a deep breath, and speak slowly if needed. Also, it's okay to pause in between, think about what you want to say, and then continue. Don't overload your brain and cause a stress. This will lead to forgetting a lot of words when you're speaking. Forgetting words while speaking English is normal. It doesn't mean you're bad at learning. It just means you need more practice and strategies to keep your words organized. Remember, consistency and confidence are your best tools for improvement. Keep practicing, stay curious, and your fluency will grow faster than you think. In this video, we discussed about forgetting words in English. When you're about to speak something, you just go blank, you just forget words. Here, we discussed 5 things that is making you forget the words and also their solutions. Now follow this and start speaking English fluently. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.